Alright, let's have a look at this 20-inch Monte Carlo Mini ceiling fan. I found this at a thrift store for 15 bucks. This is an oil rub bronze finish. And this is a newer one. Let's get a close-up of it. It's in good condition, but not perfect condition, as the switch housing here is scratched, and it's got two little dents in the motor housing there. It has this original pull fob here. Monte Carlo. I have it flush mounted, which is how it came. This thing moves a ton of air on high, and it goes pretty fast on low, so let's start up on low. Moves a pretty decent amount of air already. I can feel it all the way back here. Let's bring it to medium. I kind of just have this thrown up here haphazardly, just for testing, which is why it buzzes really loud and shakes and makes a clicking sound. Let's bring it to high. Moves a ton of air if you stand right under it. It feels like a tornado. And like I said, I just kind of had this haphazardly thrown up here. That's why it's going all crazy here. Let's shut it down and watch it spin down. Like I said, I just kind of have it thrown up here for testing. That's why it's like shaking the house down. This thing is a tiny fan. It's only 20 inches. This is the smallest these fans came in, I believe. Let's get one more close-up of it. I mean, this thing is honestly really neat. Really tiny blade arms here. Pretty neat little fan. And for the price too, 15 bucks, it was not bad. And that is all for this 20-inch Monte Carlo Mini.